Hi, this is Kun from ACNTRUCK. Today I'm here inspecting the SHACMAN G6000 tractor head for my customer. Let's have a look. The SHACMAN G6000 is a high-end long-haul tractor built for efficiency, comfort, and reliability in modern logistics. It is widely used in long-distance freight, cold chain, express delivery, and bulk transport, making it a top choice for professional fleets. Now look at the heart of this trunk. It's equipped with a Cummins M30E5 engine, delivering 500 horsepower and meeting Euro 5 emission standard with more than 500 kilowatts of power. It offers strong acceleration and excellent fuel economy. The transmission is a 16-speed manual gearbox with an aluminum housing and a FHB 400 retarder. That means a safer downhill control and less wear on the brakes, a big plus for drivers. Now step inside the G6000 cab. It's an extended high-top version with electric windows, automatic climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and an electric heated rear wheel mirror. The multi-function steering wheel includes cruise control. Drivers can work long hours without feeling tired. Also get just 50s while coupling with AMARC, a 760 liters full aluminum fuel tank for extended range, and a rear full air suspension system with Webaco EKs, great for protecting cargoes and improving ride comfort. Customers can choose different configurations based on their needs, such as wheelbases, tire tips, and top roof fairings. G6000 is flexible and reliable. If you are interested in learning more or would like a demonstration, feel free to contact me. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.